We're back with a lot today with some baseball cards, and we got this thing today. So let's do it. Do we pour this?
Yep.
Whoa! 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 How long is this? Oh my! Are these stickers? Whoa! What? They're stamps?
Yummy.
Look it.
Mom, this is yummy. Here's a whole, here's two,
So
and here's what was in the sandwich. Is that it, Dad?
that's a lot, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's do this big bad boy. Wait, first we need to see if there's a stickers in here.
What are you doing? There's nothing else in there.
Oh,
Let me help you.
oh, I got it.
Whoa!
Puzzle piece. Got a real puzzle piece.
I don't see it.
My dad will be putting this together. Big cards. Ew, ah. He's like, wow. I want to hit the camera. Wow. Ah. Whoa. And he's sitting on a chair.
I don't see it.
What one should we do next? This one? Okay.
I wanted that one.
Well, they said this one. So,
Come on.
can't eat that.
Mommy, there's a piece of...
Oh, look, it's the ball.
Can I see Daddy? I want to see that guy.
Hey, there's somebody else trying to get that.
I want to have these two.
Be careful.
Mommy, can you give me all of this stuff?
What one next? This one, okay. Smucker.
Mommy, are these mine? Are these? These are cashews. Cashews are good. These are yours. They are good.
I know.
Yeah, you can have my own.
Well, they're already not mine.
What?
Well, they're already mine. Eh.
No. They're so good. So for everybody, right? Each.
Feed
Yummy.
me. What one next?
What do you want, Bub?
This. Whoa! Eh. Shuji sheesh. A shaja piece. Whoa, this guy's batting. Battle up.
carefully. Don't throw them. Don't throw them.
Mommy. Mommy. Look it. Yeah.
Whoa, somebody's Jersey.
Oh, those are my favorite chips. No. Oh, another puzzle piece. Somebody's Jersey.
How many bats is this guy holding? Is he gonna bat like this? See all the bats? Swish. Oh no! Stop! Stop!
I'm gonna see how much bats he's holding.
Whoa!
A piece of gum.
Whoa!
There you go.
Mommy,
Let me see it.
fun. I love it, Mommy.
What?
I'm skippy.
Oh, I know what you gotta do.
What?
You rub it with a penny. And it goes on a piece of paper.
Wait. What? What? Can we try it after?
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna make a new video of doing this thing.
I want it. I want to see. Ooh, that's cool. I want to see the other one. Mommy.
Mommy, look at
Dude,
Dude, this is how you do it.
Relax, Tyler. I do. It's fun.
Mommy, come here.
Listen to talkatives, Allie. No. I'm trying to unknot this. All messed up. We're doing something to your hair, so figure out what you want.
I want a bigger than the knee.
Hysterical.
I'm going to video.
So bad.
Hi.
And
Mommy,
here's my dad.
in the video, my hair is
Yeah.
so cool.
You're looking at this ceiling. My dad.
Put some of it up. You gotta do something with it. Too messy.
So curly though. Can't watch me. Watch.
Mommy, look at the camera.
Guys, please.
Can't watch me.
No.
Watch.
No.
Watch. I'm
No.
gonna do a spin.
Don't do that in your clothes. Mommy's gonna get mad.
I'm not ready to cut one of these boards.
Mommy, watch.
Hello? Shut. I'm trying to focus. Please.
Arlo, come here.
Okay.
Y'all leave mommy alone, okay? Okay?
He's driving me batshit crazy. Do you know that?
You hot?
Huh?
Are
I
you hot?
had him open. I'm
Oh.
closing him now. Oh, cold.
Daddy, my arm's getting tired. My arm. Can't feel my arm.
I'll do it. Okay, guys, I can show it.
No. You just do this.
No, watch me.
See?
You done? You want me to open the rest for you?
No, I'll open them. Can you show them though?
Yeah.
I'll open them all for you. Can I start with this one? Wait, this one.
Thanks.
There's a lot in that there.
Wrong.
You don't know?
What?
I know that one's gonna have a piece of gum in there. Am I right? Is there a piece of gum in there? There's a piece of